Hello there, and welcome to Touch Typing Practice. On the left, you will see the practice area. Here you can tailor your touch typing practice to your exact needs. On the right, you will see the Real Extracts area. Here you can test what you've learned on millions of real extracts. Let's start with the practice area. In the middle of the screen is our generated text. This is what we will be touch typing. Above this is our customization options. Here we can set the maximum length of the words we would like to type, and we can toggle whether we would like them to come from the Easy Dictionary or the Hard Dictionary. Below this, we have 32 different kinds of punctuation that we can add to the text. Hovering over each provides a short description of what they do to the text below. When you begin typing, a timer starts. This is used to calculate your stats, that are updated as you type, and are shown at the bottom of the screen. Begin typing the word highlighted in gray. Once you have finished, press the spacebar to move on to the next word. This will highlight in gray. If you typed the first word correctly, it will highlight in green. If you type a word incorrectly, it will highlight in red. You can backspace to remove incorrect letters from a word at any time, and retype these before submitting the word. You can stop typing at any time, without finishing the whole text, and be able to see the current status of your statistics shown below. If at any time you need help, press the question mark. To refresh the text, press the rotating arrows. If you are ever interested in the definition of a word, just click it, and a new tab will open with its definition. Right, let's move to the Real Extracts area. When you enter the Real Extracts area, the site will go off and find a suitable extract amongst millions of potential extracts. Once one has been found, it will be shown in the text box, along with an accompanying image if one is available. The title of the extract is shown at the top. The typing works in exactly the same way as the practice area, and your stats still update in the same way also. If you would like a new passage of text, press the green refresh arrows. If you are interested in what you are typing, press the Wikiball icon and this will take you to the relevant Wikipedia page about the subject so that you can learn more. If you ever need help, press the question mark. I hope you like the site, and I hope you learn something new.